Well, the lawyers spent the back half of this day sort of quibbling over the instructions that the jurors will be given when they finally do get the case. This is what's known as a charge conference. This is important. These are the final words the jurors will hear before they decide the guilt or innocence of former President Trump. Now, let's take a look at the calendar as we move ahead. As you mentioned, we're off a long break for the holiday, Friday through Memorial Day Monday. That's because the judge decided he didn't want anything interrupted, closing arguments and whatnot, by the holiday. So on Tuesday of next week, we will have those closing arguments. There's a possibility that could spill over into Wednesday, but by lunchtime on Wednesday, at the latest of next week, this will be in the hands of the 12 men and women on the jury.
They have no case. There's no crime.
Throughout his criminal trial, former President Donald Trump has had plenty to say about the process and the judge, including Tuesday when his defense team rested after calling 2 witnesses.
It's a kangaroo court. There's never been anything like this that I've ever seen.
But Mr. Trump has been evasive about why he himself did not take the stand.
Why won't you testify, Mr. Trump?
The members of the jury cannot hold that against Mr. Trump during deliberations next week. What they can consider, did the former president create 34 falsified business records by reimbursing his former attorney Michael Cohen for hush money payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels? And was it done in furtherance of another crime, like campaign finance fraud or to deceive voters before the 2016 election? During the last month, we've been captivated by the spectacle and often explosive testimony that comes with this historic case. Just as the jury was seated, a man lit himself on fire in the park across from the courthouse, eventually dying from his injuries.
Has a backpack, starts throwing papers. He starts throwing some gasoline on himself, lights himself on fire.
Then midway through the case, Justice Juan Merchan explicitly threatened to put Mr. Trump in jail for violating a gag order protecting witnesses and the jury. Focus then shifted to the salacious testimony of porn star Stormy Daniels, who described in detail an affair in Lake Tahoe with Mr. Trump back in 2006. The former president denies it happened. Next came the star witness Michael Cohen, who connected the dots for the jury. He stepped them through handwritten notes, emails, and call logs while describing how he paid Daniels for her silence and then was reimbursed by then-President Trump during 2017. In response, the Trump defense got Cohen to admit he lied several times to a federal judge, to Congress, and to the public. He even was forced to admit he stole money from the Trump Organization. The extent to which the jury believes Cohen could very well determine the outcome of the case. Mr. Trump's main witness was attorney Robert Costello, who was brought in to call Cohen's credibility into further question. But he did so in such a combative way, often ignoring instructions from Justice Merchan, that the judge partially cleared the courtroom Monday to scold the witness. So by mid to late next week, what we'll be is essentially reading the tea leaves. The jury will inevitably be passing notes to the judge, asking for a clarification on this piece of evidence or a read back of that testimony. We'll be trying to parse out here what's going on in that jury room, but it is very likely we could be looking at either a verdict or a hung jury by the end of next week. Live in Lower Manhattan, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.